Welcome to the Tinting Company, where we make window tinting easy. Never pay too much for professionally installed window tint again. With a combined 25 years experience in the industry, we take great pride in our ability to offer you professionally installed, high-quality residential and commercial window films at the lowest price guaranteed, so you can keep more money in your pocket. Using our unique system that streamlines the selection and installation process, you'll be able to select and order the perfect window tint to suit your needs in next to no time. Our professionally installed premium window tint comes with a huge lifetime warranty, and with a variety of external finishes and grades, we are sure to have the perfect tint to suit any living space, including privacy film for bathrooms. Get a free quote online with our instant quote tool to see just how much money you'll be saving on each window, or request a free sample pack so you can feel the superior quality American manufactured window tint for yourself. We speak to every customer after an order has been placed. If you're unsure about film selection or measurements but want to place an order, you can always ask questions and make changes during your review call. Alternatively, our dedicated tint gurus are always here to help at any stage, by phone, email, or the chat function on our website. If you want to find the right window film for your needs, get fast answers to your questions from genuine industry experts, and feel confident that a local industry professional will install your selected window film, then the Tinting Company can help. Get an instant quote now, or request a free sample pack today, and never pay too much for window tint ever again. The Tinting Company. Window tinting made easy.